Hello Team NAVFAC Atlantic. This is my first of what will be regular virtual all-hands messages to the NAVFAC Atlantic team. This includes the entire LANT team, both here at our headquarters in Norfolk and all of our FECS and PWDs in the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast regions, as well as Naval District Washington and across EURAFCENT. This is my best way of staying connected to you, regardless of where you find your office. Obviously, this connection is crucial now, as the most pressing issues facing all of us, up and down the chain of command, is the national COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 outbreak has grown into an unprecedented worldwide crisis in a matter of weeks. It has created challenges to the way we operate as a Navy, as commands, and as individuals. Headquarters and front office staffs have shifted to maximum telework where possible, keeping 80% or more of our workforce at home in order to protect you. Our PWDs and ROICs have adopted telework and rotating schedules, as well as virtual meetings and site visits. This flexibility is key to our efforts because, despite these challenges, I'm gratified by the fact that our team brought to bear the spirit of our Strategic Design 2.0, demonstrating speed, agility, and flexibility to get the job done. Not only did we respond to the whole of nation response to COVID-19, but we did so while keeping our pace with our mission, doing our job to ensure we enable warfighter lethality, maximize naval shore readiness, and strengthen our SysCom team. Teams of engineers, civilians, and military have supported our shipmates in the Army Corps of Engineers, assessing and managing the conversion of hotels and convention centers to field hospitals in Chicago, Detroit, New Orleans, Milwaukee, and Nashville. We have rapidly responded to the needs of our new recruit accessions pipelines, rapidly responding to the need for our new facilities at RTC Great Lakes and MCRD Paris Island. Our contracting and construction management teams have remained engaged with our contractor partners, addressing COVID impacts in order to keep critical projects across the globe on track. Our public works teams in the field have been hard at work, responding to trouble calls and continuing to maintain facilities at our installations. All of our continued efforts have been important to maintaining our fleet's readiness throughout this crisis. I'm proud of you. You've continued to work to imbue the CNO's core attributes of integrity, accountability, initiative, and toughness. I thank you for your dedication. Beyond the projects we completed in the last few weeks, we're capturing lessons learned and know one thing: COVID-19 has changed the way we do business dramatically, in some ways, permanently. I fully expect the spirit of evolution will continue to make its mark and for the foreseeable future. After all, it was a little more than a year ago that our chief challenged us to harness the power of the digital age and analytics, encouraging us to be more agile, more predictable, more efficient, more effective, and more innovative. COVID-19 tested our abilities to live up to this challenge. And while the last few weeks have been rough, we've learned much and are turning our eyes to the next chapter. Recent media reports are promising, showing we may be turning a corner, flattening the curve of the current outbreak, but we don't want to let up on our health protocols. In the coming weeks, I expect we will begin the process of returning to work, but not at the risk of health and safety. While I'm eager to see everyone around the office again, let's understand everything will not go right back to the way it was. Travel restrictions, face masks, social distancing will likely be in place for quite some time. My expectation is that we won't return to the office all at once, but rather adopt a more gradual phased approach as telework ramps down. You should expect frequent screening and temperature checks when you do come back to work. More importantly, now is not the time to let down your guard. Continue to protect yourself and practice social distancing. When you must go out, wear a face mask, practice good hygiene, and most importantly, if you feel sick, please stay home and consult your medical provider. These trying times have created stresses. If you or someone you know is in need of assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out for support. A great resource is the Department of Navy Civilian Employee Assistance Program. Thank you for your hard work, perseverance, and agility over the past few weeks. Thank you for supporting each other and for what you do each day on behalf of this nation's Navy and Marine Corps team. Keep charging.